Hey everyone, today we're talking about the FeelinGirl Tummy Control High-Waisted Shapewear, designed to smooth and sculpt your waist and thighs with double-layered fabric for extra compression and a sleek silhouette. This seamless shaper shorts feature a breathable, single-layer butt area that lifts and shapes for a natural, peachy look. With non-slip silicone strips and flexible steel bones, it stays securely in place all day without rolling or discomfort. The high elastic fabric provides a chafe-free fit and moderate compression, enhancing your curves while remaining soft and comfortable. Plus, the overlapped crotch design makes restroom breaks easy and convenient. Remember to check the size chart for the best fit, choosing larger for comfort or smaller for shaping. This shapewear is perfect for anyone wanting a smooth, flattering figure under any outfit. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.